Wikino Chivhayo aonekwa achiassociata na President Ruto vekukenya nekuvaweukama kuZitf zvinoita kuti vanhu pasimuke pareizike masuspicions kuti aiwa the government of Zimbabwe inenge iri corrupt nekuti atora chinzvimbo tingatoti kana chaVP chaipo noti idi anga aripo atora chigaro chaVP noti maukamiro anga achitanga aita senguke munhu chaicho ane chigaro muparliament sanapinda mutsamba yanyogwa nekuti bva subscribe like utena on the bell icon. Saka tsamba inonzi Your Excellency, I hope this letter finds you well, in good health and high spirits. I am writing to express my deep concerns regarding the reported association of Wikino Chivhayo, a convicted criminal, with the Zimbabwean government, particularly his participation in official engagements such as the meeting with the President Ruto of Kenya. This association has raised significant alarm among the citizens of Zimbabwe, as it seems to contradict the principles of transparency, accountability, and the fight against corruption that your administration has championed. I understand that Mr. Chivhayo has recently sought to have criminals records from 2005 reversed through legal means, as reported in the Herald. While it is within his rights to pursue legal remedies, it is crucial to consider the potential implications of associating with individuals who have been convicted of serious criminal offenses. As a concerned citizen, I would like to highlight the importance of consistency in the application of principles and standards when it comes to the association of public figures with individuals who have a criminal background. Your Excellency, I recall your firm stance in removing former President Robert Mugabe, citing that he was surrounded by criminals. This decision was seen as a crucial step in addressing corruption and restoring public confidence and the trust in the government. Saka ndo tsamba yakanyoregwa awa idi munanga zvinzi awa makatobvisa yenyu vaMugabe muchiti awa anga akasaraundiwa nevanhu macriminals vanhu vari corrupt. Asi panapa tinototi Wikino Chivhayo aiwa ndiye atova criminal kubva muna 2005 sezvakanyongwa muna Herald. Awa ane macriminal records akakanyanyisa. Amene uyu munhu ndiani akanyora tsamba iyi kuna His Excellency. Saka chimbotudzei mafungiro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko chaitika kuZitf. Pinai comment section medu, saka no subscribe or like, channel turn on the bell icon.